In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Go High Level CRM guide. To get started, open Go High Level and make sure you're inside the correct account or location where you want to build your automation. This is important because workflows are created within the specific workspace you're currently in, so you'll want to confirm you're in the right place before making any changes. Once you're on the main screen, look over to the left-hand side of the platform. This is where Go High Level keeps its primary navigation menu, and it's where you'll access the tools needed for this setup. From there, click on Automation. This section is where you create processes that run automatically based on specific triggers and actions, which can save you a lot of time when managing CRM activity. After opening the automation area, click on Create Workflow. This will begin the setup for a brand new automation. When the workflow options appear, choose Start from Scratch. This is the best option if you want full control over how the workflow is built and what it does rather than starting from a pre-made template. Next, you'll need to define what starts the workflow. Click on Add New Trigger. In Go High Level, a trigger is the event that tells the system when to begin the automation. Once the trigger search box appears, type in CRM. This will filter the available options and make it easier to find CRM-related triggers without scrolling through a long list. Now review the CRM options that appear and select the CRM trigger you need for your specific goal. The right choice here depends on what you want the automation to respond to, so take a moment to choose the option that matches your intended workflow. Once you've found it, click on that CRM option to add it as your trigger. After the trigger has been selected, the next step is to add an action. This is what the workflow will do after the trigger condition is met. In other words, the trigger starts the process, and the action tells Go High Level what should happen next. When setting this up, make sure the action logically matches the CRM trigger you selected so the automation works the way you expect. That's the basic process for creating a CRM-based workflow in Go High Level using a custom setup. If you're building several automations, it's a good idea to name them clearly so they're easier to identify later. With that, you should now be ready to create and customize your own CRM workflow inside Go High Level.